Let's learn conversion of whole numbers in base 12 to base 10. Here is an example. Convert 2t base 12 to base 10. Recall, the digits used in representing numbers in the base 12 number system are 0 to 9, t, and e, where the t represents the digit 10 and e represents digit 11. So we'll be making use of that here. Solution. We have 2t base 12. The first step is to number these digits from 0, starting from the last digit. So we have 0, 1. We don't have any other digits, so we stop. And the next step is you pick the first digit, which is 2, multiply by the base 12, raised to the power of the number we have here, 1, plus. You do the same thing for the next digit. And the next digit we have here is t, but t in the base 12 number system represents digit 10. So we have 10 multiplied by the base 12 raised to the power of the numbering 0. Then we solve. 2 times 12 raised to the power of 1 is 12 plus 10 multiplied by 12 raised to the power of 0, 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Let's multiply. 2 times 12, 24, plus 10 times 1, 10. Then we sum it up. 24 plus 10, we have 34 base 10. And that's how to convert all numbers in base 12 to base 10. Thank you.